Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we successfully deployed a massive 20 billion parameter ChatGPT model. It's powerful, but right now it's just a backend service sitting on the server. It doesn't have a user interface to interact with. So what's next? Today, we are giving it a face. We are building the front end and we have two options for that. Either we could develop a front end from the scratch, which takes obviously a lot of time, effort, and as well as resource. Or we can use any open source project that's already built for this exact purpose. That's why today we are diving into Open WebUI. This is a beautiful open source web interface that will let us talk to our model in a chart like format, similar to the ChatGPT or Gemini. Not only that, I will also show you how to integrate with our custom deployed model and how to connect it to OpenAI's model using your own API key. This is a game changer for anyone who is building on their own infrastructure. So, without further delay, let's dive into the installation and as well as setup process. So guys, we have last video we have already seen how to create a virtual machine in HyperStack. So today I followed the same. I have created one virtual machine in HyperStack, and that IP of my virtual machine is this. So I'm going to connect to my virtual machine first. So this is my last session which I already connected. I'm going to edit this session. Since my IP got changed, I have replaced this IP, and rest everything is same. I haven't changed anything. Okay, and then do double click, which will connect to your model. Please click on accept. All right. So for this, I have written one shell script, which will deploy the model instead of doing it from the scratch. So let me copy that into my virtual machine. My file name is setupgpt.sh. Let me search for it. Yeah, here it is. I simply copy paste that setup underscore gpt shell script file, which will copy you the file. Once the file is copied, we need to provide the proper permissions to the file. For that, I'll use sudo chmod. I'm giving read write execution permission for my file, which is setup underscore gpt.sh. Click on enter and then execute the file. /file name, enter. So I am facing an issue here, which is saying bad interpreter error. So for that, what you have to do, you just need to execute this command, which will solve your issue. Let me paste it. Right, enter, and then execute the file setupgpt.sh. So which eventually start the installation of GPT model in our system. Right. So as we discussed, setting up the backend is over. Now we have to set up the front end. And front end, I am setting up in a different system, which is exist in my Google Cloud. So open your Google Cloud account. Then, so find out virtual machine section. Just click on virtual machine. You can see that VM instances here. Click on that. So I have already created an instance in a GCP. So procedure is almost similar. In the last video, I have already discussed. Just press on create instance and select which OS version you want. You want to create a Ubuntu version, or you want to create a Windows version, whatever it is. You have to select and create. It is similar like HyperStack, right? So since I have already connected, I'm going to connect it to this instance using SSH. Just click on SSH. It will open you the SSH in your browser. Right, you have to click on authorize. So since I already logged in into my mail, it will log in successfully. Right. So once your Google Cloud virtual machine is done, what you have to do is you have to go to uh, docker.com. There you can find how to install Docker, because Open WebUI we are going to install through a Docker, right? Installation of Docker will not take much time. So if you go to this link, you can see clear installation steps. Execute every step properly. Once it is done, you can verify in your system whether Docker is successfully installed or not. So let me verify first. I copied the command and paste it. It's sudo docker run hello world. So you can see that hello from Docker. If you can see this, it means a Docker is successfully installed in your virtual machine. And let me see my ChatGPT model is installed or not properly. So I'm going to my mobile Xterm. So where I have run the shell script in the beginning. So it is still running. So let it run. Meanwhile, I'm going to install Open WebUI. So go to Open WebUI GitHub repository, which is a open source. So you can find a full source code of this project. I clicked on Open WebUI link. So you can find this is the source code of Open WebUI. If you come down, so there will be a installation setups. So they are giving what features they have given. There is effortless setup. You can integrate Olamar OpenAI integration. So what this integration about? We are talking in the further. Then you have a responsive design. You can also create a progressive web app for the mobiles, and you can do hands-free voice and video calls. In this video, we are not going to discuss that. So we have a model builder, a native Python function calling tool, RAG integration. There are tons of features are available, and the best part is it is open source project, right? And also it provides you role-based access control, which means admin can control every user. And also several features they have. You can add multiple models in your chatting system. While chatting, you can select which model you want to chat, right? And as well as you can explore your chats. That once UI is loaded, I will show you how to how the user interface looks like, and as well as how you can use all those features, right? So this is the installation. It is a straight installation. Either you can go it with the pip installation Open WebUI, which will install all this project, then serve it through this command Open WebUI space serve, right? So I already discussed earlier. I want to use it with Docker. So I already installed the Docker. So I'm going to use this command, Docker command, right? I have already copy pasted here. So copy it and then open your Google Cloud cell, right? This is not my hyperstack. In my hyperstack, my ChatGPT model is running, and I am installing Open WebUI in my Google Cloud virtual machine. Those are both are separate machines, right? Just pasted and then click enter. So it is done. After that, if you see that whether it is running or not, you just need docker ps command, which will give, if it is running, you can see that this docker is running and it is forward exporting at port 3000, right? So for safer side, you can do one thing. You just execute this command sudo ufw allow 3000 tcp. I'm not doing here. I'm just changing my firewall rule to available 3000 port to the external world, right? So go there, paste it, press enter. So rules are updated. So since it is running, you can if you have your IP address of Google Cloud Virtual Machine at 3000 port, my web UI is running. So let's go and check. First of all, I need to find out my IP address. So my IP address is this. You can see over here 34.93.140.96, which is external IP. So just paste it there, and my Open WebUI is running at port 3000, right? Just click enter. You can see that Open WebUI is successfully running. So just click get started, enter your full name. I'm entering my name, which is Naresh Kumar, and my email ID I'm entering naresh.k.suru@gmail.com. Then it is asking a password. So let me enter some random password and then create admin account. Alright. So you can see that your admin account has been created. Once your admin account has been created, this is the interface it is going to show you. Right. Now you can see here select modal option is there. Currently no modal is there because we have not added any modal. So let me see my ChatGPT, GPT is installed successfully or not. So let me see my logs. So for some reason it is disconnected. I'm trying to reconnect it. So let me open different session. So you can see my VLLM logs. Just open with the default program. So it will give you this, all the logs. In the end, you can see that application startup is complete, which means my LLM is running in my hyper stack, right? So what next? I have to go here, then check my LLM's IP address. My IP address is this 38.80.122.36. Just copy it, go to the Open WebUI, click on this, and then go to admin panel. Then go to settings and then go to connections. So here you can see that manage OpenAI API connections. So currently we don't have any OpenAI connections. So what you have to do is just click on plus, and then here you have to copy your IP and then /v1, right? HTTP, since it is running over HTTP protocol, paste /v1. I'm not having any API key, so some random API key I will enter, and then click on save. Rest everything leave empty. It will automatically loads the models which are running at this IP. Just click on save. So in case if you want to test the connection, you can click on verify connection here. Right. So if everything goes smooth, then you can go to chart section. So some network problem it is showing. So might be my model is not running at this. So what I'll do, I'll re-execute my file again. So which is :: setup gpt.sh. Since my session has been closed, so model is not running because I'm not running model in background. So if you don't want to terminate the session like this, you can run it either in BYOBU, NoHoop. There are several libraries which allows you to run the model in background also. So you can see that VLLM server is healthy and running on port 8000, right? Now go here, let me add this again. Go to your admin panel, go to settings and then select connections. So this is what I have added earlier. Just click on configure and then click on verify connection. So let me see whether it is correct or not. So some issues there. Yeah, issue is I forgot to mention the port number here. My model is running at port number 8000. You can see my shell script code, which I'll share in the description. Then verify connection. Still some problem. Just go to networking and then go to firewall, go to inbound rule. Yeah, give the port number 129,000. Click on add. So once it gives success, you can test the model, right? Yeah, it gave the success. Let me go and hit the model once again. You can see that my model should respond now, hopefully. Yes, you can see the output over here, right? Now go to Open WebUI. So now there was some problem. I haven't opened port 8000, so that's why it was giving the issue. So now I open the port 8000. So now I can verify my connection. So you can see that server connection has been verified. Once the server has been verified, just click on save. That's it. Now go to the new chart section. Now you can see that I have installed GPT OSS 20 billion parameter over there. So you can see the same model over here. So let me test the model first, how it works. So let me ask the question, who is Prime Minister of India? Yeah. So model gives the output. The current Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi, which is obviously correct, and he has been in office since 2014. Right. So model is working fine. Let me test with another question. So this time I'll ask Python related question. Can you give me the Python program uh, to print triangle star pattern? So let me see how it responds. Yes, so you can see that model is responding beautifully. It has given so many things. Show below is a small self-contained Python script that lets you choose which kind of triangle you would. Since I have mentioned only a triangle pattern, I haven't mentioned what kind of triangle pattern I am looking for. So that's why model has been given several programs as output, right? So it is also telling the instructions how to copy paste into Python file and run it. You can see that it has given a beautiful program to create a triangle pattern in Python. So it is also showed you output how it looks like, right? So yeah, that's it guys. You can see that the model we have hosted successfully, and as well as we have given a front end to the model so that you can use this model in your own cloud. Yeah. Coming to the enhancements, you can see you can do a lot of enhancements. See, currently it is running the port, running it is over HTTP protocol. So obviously you can make it HTTPS, and I am using direct IP addresses here. So if you have a domain, you can assign a domain to that so that you use like chatgpt.com or google.com, gemini.com, etc. So apart from that, currently my model doesn't have any authorization code. You can also set it up authorization. Well, there are a lot of improvements you can do it. And the best part is the front end will take care of everything, including your chart section. See that it stores your charts. Let me refresh the page. You can see that your old chart is still exist, and you can create a new chart. It will create a new chart. Let me ask who is the CM of Karnataka. So it is created a new chart, and it will also gives the answer. Chief Minister of Karnataka as of 13 September 2025 is Sidramaya. And you can see that it is automatically changed your session chart session name as Karnataka CM today. Right. So you can also, if you want, you can pin this chart section. You can move this chart section. You can rename. If you want, you can share this chart with your friends. Also, you can download. Also, you can delete. All options are available whatever you are doing in ChatGPT user interface, right? That's it, guys. Now we have seen how to interact with our own model. In case if you have any API key of ChatGPT or Google or Grok, whatever it is, you can also interact with those models. So now I will show you how to create a ChatGPT API key, and as well as chat with ChatGPT model instead of our hosting model, right? So just go to platform.openai.com, platform OpenAI. So you can see that OpenAI platform. I already created the account. In case if you don't have account, you have to create the account and load some bucks into that. So continue with Google. Um, Let me give try again. Continue with Google. So I have created in this account, which is Naresh Kumar. Yeah. So this is how dashboard looks like. You have to find out API key section. Go to dashboard. Then you can see that API key section. I have already created some keys which are not going to use in this video. I'm creating a new secret key. Give any secret key. Right now I'm going to give Naresh test as my key name, and then click on create secret key. So you have to copy. Remember, if you don't copy it, you cannot see it again. So click on done. So then go to your Open WebUI. So whatever we followed earlier, same step we need to follow. Let's go to admin panel, then go to settings, and then click on connections. So here you already have a OpenAI URL over here, but since API key is not there, it is not loading any models. So go to configure section. URL is same. I'm not going to change, and I'm going to add my API key. So I have added my API key, and then you can verify connection once. You can see that server connection verified. So once this is done, just click on save, and then go to the chart section. Now you can see that earlier you have only GPT OS 20 billion parameter model, which is hosted by ourselves in our own cloud. Once I added my API key, ChatGPT API key, I have got different models, including GPT-5, GPT-5 Mini. There are n number of GPT models have been added, and you can see that there are some models it is added with 40 2024 8 test puri something, right? So these are the models which I have fine tuned in their platform. So those models also it is displaying. So if you want to chat with GPT-5, just click on GPT-5 and then go and ask any question, like give me Python program for adding two numbers. I've given a simple program. You can give it any kind of complex questions. So right now it is giving me error. Your organization must be verified to stream this model. Please go through. So I haven't verified my organization. That is what it is giving the error. Let me try to verify it. So yeah, guys. So it asked me to verify my organization account since I have created my personal account. So I have nothing much we have to do. We just need to go there, click on OpenAI platform. There is a verify option. You need to click on verify. It will send you the link to your personal email. Then you need to click on that link. It will ask you to upload any valid government proof, either Aadhaar card or PAN card. Once you upload that, it will ask you to upload a selfie photos. You need to upload the selfies. So as soon as you upload, it will verify and give you the success response. So now I have verified my account, and let me check GPT-5 will work with my user interface or not, right? So last time we have seen that your organization must be verified to stream this model. So now I have verified. Since I have verified, I am going to ask the same question. Give me the Python program for adding two numbers. Just hit enter. uh, there was an error previous. So let me do one thing. Let me create a new chart. Since this chart session I got some error, it is not allowing me to create one more chart. So click on new chart. Yeah. Once you click on new chart, you copy your prompt and then hit enter. So you can see that GPT-5 is loading your response. Let me see what response it gives. It is bit unusual. It is taking so much time. I don't know. Yeah. So you can see that it has given the output def main try float input number b print. So basically it is giving how to do addition of two numbers which we have asked in the question. That's it, guys. So this is how you inference your own hosted model as well as third party models like GPT or Grok or Gemini or anything. So this basically like this Perplexity will work. Even Dhruv Rathi announced the recent startup, right? So which also he added multiple models into the chat system, and then he is displaying output using user interface. That's it, guys. I hope you like my video. If you like the video, please do subscribe, comment, and as well as my channel. Thank you very much.